everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all are staying indoors, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves as much as you're taking care of your loved ones. Today I'm here with three bad skincare habits that most of us do. Most of us realize it earlier in life, some of us realize it much later in life, but these are three bad skincare habits. And if you fall under any of these three categories, or under all these categories, please go ahead and stop doing it right now. So for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Natalia and welcome to my channel. Bad skincare habit number one is using products on your face and on your skin without understanding your skin type. There are a lot of products out there, and we land up just purchasing products without understanding, or blindly without understanding our skin type, whether we fall under the oily category, whether we are a desert category, that's the dry category, whether we have a combination skin type, whether we have a sensitive skin or an acne prone skin. Without understanding that, we go ahead and blindly buy a product, and when it doesn't work on our face, we get disappointed. We talk bad about the product, we give a bad review. This could be one of the reasons that a product is not living up to its claims. It could be because you're using a product that's not really required for your skin. You're using a product that your skin doesn't call for. And remember that your skin feels differently in different seasons. Your skin type definitely changes because of the climatic conditions, because of hormonal changes, whatever be the XYZ reason. It's very important to understand your skin type before you fetch a product, so that you can reap the maximum benefits of the product. Bad skincare habit number two. Now, bad skincare habit number two are for all those shopaholics out there. Just because you see tons of products in the market, that doesn't mean that you need to go ahead and possess or get or buy those tons of products and use it all on your face. Please know that every single day there's a new product launched in the market by a particular brand, and just because it's a new product, it's raved about, it's talked about, and it's all over social media, you want to use it. Understand your skin type, then fetch a product, or then use a product. Just do not go ahead and buy a product because it's in the market. Do stick and be loyal to a product that's actually working for your skin and you're getting benefits from the product. Stick to that product, continue using that product, even if it's a 40-year-old product, but it's suiting you. You're getting the benefit of it, so stick to the product. Yes, just in case if you feel skin feels dehydrated or it feels dry and you don't have a hydrating moisturizer, and there is a new hydrating moisturizer in the market, and then you reach out to that moisturizer because it's your skin requirement, that could be a good buy, or that could be a good skincare habit. But just buying a product without understanding your skin type, and just because it's new in the market, could leave you with a bad skin. So this also could be one reason why a product is not working out for you. It's just because you're getting carried away in the market. The third bad skincare habit is something that all of us do. You need to understand that our skin is an investment. If you want your skin to look beautiful, to feel beautiful, to look radiant, you need to invest in it. You need to invest time, patience, you need to invest a little money. If you do things right for your skin, if you eat right, if your diet is right, even less investment of money on a product could give you the maximum benefits, because you're investing the other things along with it. I normally see people, they do not take care of their skin almost 11 months in a year. They do not take care of their skin. They don't bother about their diet. They just do things randomly, and then when there's an event coming up, when there's Christmas, New Year, Easter, Eid, whatever it be, they want to look they want to look perfect, they want to look beautiful. I mean, you need to understand that looking after your skin has to be there. If you want a benefit from anything, if you want something to benefit you, you need to invest that time, that patience, that money. Now when I talk about money, people always have this complaint, oh, we do not have the money to look that beautiful, we do not have the money to take care of ourselves. That's wrong. Actually, that's absolutely wrong. You will require less amount of monetary investment if you do things right for your skin, if you eat right, you keep a schedule for yourself, for your body, maintain yourself from within. Because you remember, I always say this, that your face is the mirror to your body. It's the mirror to how your body feels. So make sure you invest that time, invest in a certain lifestyle that will help your skin. Then you can use little money, buy those necessary products that would give you that external satisfaction, or that would help you externally, as long as you combine it by taking care of your internal self. So invest in your skin, and you will reap the benefits. Do not just go ahead, wait for an occasion to choke yourself up with makeup, and then after that you'll have breakouts, and your skin's going to be worsened. So take care of your skin gradually, so that when an X particular big day comes, you do not have to choke yourself with makeup. You use minimum makeup, get maximum benefits, and look your best. So these three bad skincare habits that, if you fall under these category, any of this category, or under all this category, stop doing it right now. Definitely you are going to see the benefits. Definitely you're going to understand that your skin doesn't need money to be invested on it. It just needs time, patience, and a lot of love, and a lot of care for your body. Value your intake. Do not abuse your body with a lot of toxicated intakes that could affect your skin. And I hope you've liked this. I hope you understand it and incorporate it in your lifestyle. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay healthy, and eat well. Stay hydrated. Do give this video a thumbs up. Do share this video. Do like this video. Do subscribe and click that bell icon, so that each time I come up with a video, you get to see some more skincare tips and something more that I would bring to you. Take care. Bye, and lots of love.